Okay.
Oh, too long.
Oh, you screwed that up. Hello, YouTube. This is Painted Kids with the monthly.
Monthly?
We're agreeing to do this monthly.
I guess.
The monthly husband challenge. So today we are going to draw and color in Unikitty.
Unikitty.
We'll see how this goes. We should probably turn that thing on so we can actually.
Might help.
What you'll need today is a piece of paper, a pencil, a marker, and colored pencils, crayons, markers,
Good to go.
and a
There.
paint.
There.
Whatever you want to
Hey.
color with at the end is completely up to you.
All right, ladies, question.
So
Do we do it
let's
this
get
way or this way?
Either way.
Either way?
Think of
Okay.
it as vertical.
You doing yours?
I'm doing mine sideways.
Yours hamburger?
Yeah.
I'll do mine hot dog.
Unikitty comes super simple. And with this Unikitty,
Oh,
instead of making her all
That's a crack in your screen. I'm trying to figure where these
Yes,
lines are.
that's a crack in the screen. Yeah.
Oh.
She's a little bit more from the bottom, so we're going to do one vertical line and then another vertical line.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. Starting off pretty rough.
Why did you give me a pencil with no eraser?
There's erasers.
All right, here we go. Porn time.
And you can't pause it.
No, we're not pausing this. I don't have to get however many you have. Like, what if I can't see them to count them? This whole not wear your glasses thing is rough.
Not only gonna draw, can't draw, you're gonna draw blind.
All right, I'm good. See if that's better. That helps quite a bit. I like missed 3 lines already. I didn't know what was going on. Why are you looking at mine?
I'm still getting the hoary over here.
Well, here, hit pause. There.
No.
No? You don't hit pause?
And you can't pause it.
No, we're not pausing this.
No, we're not pausing this.
Oh, too long.
You screwed that up. You didn't angle it. Angle it.
Hey,
Angle it.
how do you do that?
No. You don't have to do that.
You listen to what she said. I'm married to her. I don't have to listen to what she said.
I can't believe you just said that.
Yeah.
Just FYI.
You totally did.
Totally screwed that up.
Totally 100% screwed it
Leaving
up.
it.
No, look.
There's no time.
The bottom line there needs to go here. Erase this.
Dang it.
Oh, this is terrible.
You can call me Miss Kate if you want.
I'd rather not.
Direction that the bottom of your feet took. Because we're really giving this the illusion of a 3D Lego figure, so we can always angles to be consistent so that way it feels more like a 3-dimensional object.
Looks like a second neck.
That does. What is it?
Is that a second neck?
It's the Lego thing, like the little, you know, the bump that Legos have on the back?
The Lego piece.
Oh, on the bottom. This.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what she did there. I synced it. I synced it.
Because Unikitty has a gun, and that's the little nub part that connects the gun to it. That whole part when I was like, it's her little Lego thing.
Either mine's sort of at a much odder angle.
Not gonna look good.
Unikitty's backside is sticking out a little too much, but oh well, life goes on. Can't go wrong when the backside sticks out too much. Edit that part out.
And that looks like a goiter. Got my angles right. Travis, you ready? Can we continue?
Whatever, dude. That's not how any of this works.
So now we're going to do the tail. Anger coming out of her, so she has a lot of flame details on her shoulder character. And you just
Don't
go
do flames.
Around,
Oh.
and then in, and then around.
What are you doing?
And you're just following the same shape as
This is not cool.
Wherever you want to put a flame, you just bring it around and then in, and then bring it back out, and then curve it back around.
Takes me back to my
And same with other
5th grade days.
Straight lines are fine, but this whole fire thing is throwing me for a loop. That looks like... Look at that.
That's adorable.
It is, isn't it?
I'm gonna get a little crazy right here. I'm gonna get my old grade school flames going on her leg.
Although that is pretty cool flames, though. I gotta admit. Alright, he's better.
This is going to be a top of her eyes. And then after we get these slants
Like
in,
Miss
we're
Kate
gonna
looking
go
at
to
Mr.
the
Travis. Angry slants.
Head, and I'm going to grab my marker, and we're going to just start outlining our characters.
One round one.
Now, if you
Faster to the marker than you.
can, but you're not quite ready to no matter what
Next
you
time,
want,
can
you
we
still
just do the
set
coloring
one
page?
color.
Yes, please.
Oh, that was good.
Let's see.
Hey, you guys did a
Pretty
good
good.
job.
Back leg.
Where?
That's the tail.
Don't listen to her.
I did.
No, don't listen to her. She's not right.
Oh,
She's only right if you give in. If you fight it, she's still wrong. Even though she's really right.
How does that work out for you?
I don't want to talk about it.
Well, you changed the color. Oh, that's mean.
What?
What?
Why'd you do that? You made her face a different color. I did this so
What
much.
do you mean?
Because she's got lines that connect all the way here, and here, and there, and the eyes. I didn't do that.
Well, where were you? Travis got it.
I did it.
I was on the tail. I was down here.
You're doing a good job, honey.
Hey, thanks.
Still gonna beat you.
Ew.
And adults do this to relax.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
All I just heard was blah, 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 blah. It's not that bad, husband. Blah, 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 blah.
This makes me want to kick a puppy. Why do you do this?
Is there a gray? You even have gray.
He's got it.
Is this gray?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, it says gray.
That's awesome.
Very nice.
Boom! That's what I'm talking about. You ain't got nothing on me, lady. Nothing.
That is, I've got to say, I am impressed.
Travis has left the building. Well, at least the tape.
No, you can't. You gotta. I'm not done yet.
Oh no. No, you're gonna sit there by yourself.
I always tell my kids it's not a race, Travis.
It's not a race, Travis.
It's not a race.
That's what slow people say.
Wow.
Very nice. Look at that.
That's awesome.
If you like
really
this
good.
video, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell.
Every time you do, you're gonna get a notification pop up, and you're gonna see these smiling faces.
No, those smiles.
They're not. Okay, well, not ours. The smiling faces of the people who do this.
They do look better than us.
Sometimes.
I did not say that. He said it.
Leave your comments. Tell us how terrible these were, how much better you are. Don't do that. I don't want you to do that.
Actually, you
These
can
are great.
tell him how horrible it is. His name's Kevin. Just flat out tell him.
Whatever.
Now mine, on the other hand, has some good comments. I take things personally. And pretty much everybody that's going to comment, I probably know.